Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 9th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2022. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all another fantastic appetizer for game day. We're going to make oven-baked corn dog muffins. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, full of flavor, and we're going to make them completely from scratch. These would be a hit at every game day or tailgate. Everybody will be going back for seconds. And also great to make with your kids. Y'all gonna love it, love it, love it. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my game day recipes playlist and my previous video, Old Fashioned Apple Crisp. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your muffin pan, your hot dogs, and your cornbread batter sugar, because we're about to bake some corn dog muffin magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make our cornbread batter. In my bowl, I have 1 cup of self-rising yellow cornmeal mix. And we're going to add in 1 cup of self-rising flour. Give this a quick whisk until it's well combined. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. 1/3 of a cup of honey to give our batter a little sweetness. 1/4 of a cup of canola oil. Going to make our cornbread extra moist. And 4 tablespoons, which is a 1/2 stick of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And give a quick whisk until it's well blended. And you want your butter nice and cool. Otherwise, if you add in hot melted butter to your milk mixture, it will curdle. Alright, my friends, our wet ingredients is complete. Now ready to pour it into the dry ingredients. And whisk until well combined. And be careful not to over mix it. And it's alright if the cornbread batter is a little lumpy. It's all good. Alrighty, my friends, and just that simple, our cornbread batter is complete. So now I'm going to let this rest for about 5 minutes. And while that's resting, I'm going to get our hot dogs. Alright, my friends, on my cutting board, I have my dogs. Or you can use the beef or pork hot dogs, or tofu dogs, or turkey dogs, whatever your heart desire. So we're going to cut my chicken sausages into coins. Like so. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my sausages and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cutting up my chicken sausages. Now we're ready to fill our corn dogs. We're going to fill up the muffins 3/4 of the way up in my muffin pan that I greased with baking spray. Using my ice cream scoop, we're just going to take a scoop and scoop it right into the pan. Like so. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cornbread muffins together. So now we're going to take a chicken sausage. I'm just going to put them right in the middle. Like so. Alrighty, now ready to put our corn dogs in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 400-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my corn dog muffins out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown they are? And it smells heavenly. So now I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes, and then I'll plate them up, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Oven baked corn dog muffins. And I broke it in half. I want to show y'all the inside. See the sausage in there? Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. And I have my honey milk sauce right here. I'll post that recipe down below in the description box. I'm going to dip it in there. Look at that. Have a bite. Touchdown! It's moist and buttery, and the sausage nice and tender. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Corn dog muffin-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.